Hello everyone, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm actually going to be doing a tour of all of my knickknacks that I've had over the years. I feel like they're kind of Lolita adjacent, and I've never actually shown them on my channel, and now that I'm home, it's something that I can show you and it doesn't cost me any money to do. Also, please do not mind the fact that you see this very neutral, fun polka dot background. Then there's lime green and blue. I'm in the process of redoing my room and I'm not finished yet. And this mirror gives me away a little bit. So I'm just gonna go kind of from left to right, I think. So here is a beautiful porcelain doll. I've had her for a while. I actually don't know where she came from. I kind of don't have the best memory of childhood things. So some of these have just kind of always been in my life, and I just really love this doll, even though I don't know where she comes from. I know she was a gift from a family member, but I don't remember exactly when I got her or from who. But I think she's precious. She's an adorable little Christmas doll. I think she has a cute little face, and I really like her. This is my coin jar. It had been over there, but it got evicted because I'm cleaning my room. Oh, this is just fun. This is a picture of me and one of my high school friends that I still stay in semi-regular contact with. This is a holiday snail that I got received for Christmas, and so in my family we have Thanksgiving snails, and that's a whole story unto itself on my mom's side of the family, my biological mom's side of the family. I don't think I've ever really talked about my family situation on my channel, and that would be its own video. But here's an adorable holiday snail. He is for Thanksgiving. He's adorable, and I think one day I might make a video about the whole snails, but I love him. He needs a name. I haven't named him. Here is this beautiful trinket box that doesn't actually have anything in it because I can't decide what I want to put in here. So this was actually an heirloom given to me after my grandma passed away a few years ago, and it's beautiful and I love it, and I need to find something worth putting in it, but I think it is a gorgeous... Let me see if I can get it to actually focus on this at all. It's not focusing, but that's okay. Here is just a cute little simple dolphin. I got it at an aquarium trip when we went to Minnesota, I'm fairly certain. And you're probably gonna hear children running around. I have no control over the time of day where the lighting in my room works since my softbox broke and the children are awake. So those are my siblings. They're being cute upstairs. But yes, this little guy, he's so cute and so simple. This is gorgeous, and if you want to go look at my blog post about me cleaning this out, this is a silver box I received from my Nana, who also passed away a few more years ago than my other grandmother. But it is this gorgeous silver box that is way too shiny because I polished it. You can't really see it. But my name is on it. It's got these beautiful flowers, and right now I have my crystals and such in here. This is also from my Nana, and this is really precious to me because it's the last Christmas gift that I got before she passed away. And it plays Always in My Heart. And it's this beautiful moon. I just really like it. This is a picture of me and my sister. It's still going. I think I turned it a little too far. Okay, so these are a whole series unto themselves, but my Grandma Lou collected these little miniature clocks, and these were given to me when she passed away. So this one's a cat. I actually need to like do I want that many clocks ticking in my room actually? I've considered getting them fixed, but I just realized that might be very loud. But this is a cute little cat clock. Here's a little, like, a casino clock. I didn't know they made so many different kinds of little clocks, but they're important to me because they were important to my grandmother, and they're just really cute. There is a Liberty Bell clock. Look at it go. This fun little frame, which I have pictures of me and my friends at junior prom in. It took me a second. I was like, which prom was that? I went to prom 3 years, so I have eyeliner on my fingers. Oh well. This is a pretty little votive candle holder, which was also from my grandmother, and she used to sell for Vantel pearls, so she gave me quite a few of those things. This was from a trip to a stoneworking place. I like horses. I'm not as into horses as I was, but I still do like horses. So here he is. I got to sandblast a horse into a little slab of marble. I think it's neat. There's not really more to that. This was a present for my mom, and this is a silver hand mirror, which is like, makes me feel like an absolute princess when I use it. It's so beautiful. I've also shined it. I also polished this recently, so it's now so shiny that you can't really see it. But it's got this beautiful handle, and it comes with this beautiful brush. There's some like really deep tarnish areas I'm still working on, but they're so pretty. A teacup, which is a present from my fiance's mother for Christmas last year. I really like it. It's this cute little floral teacup thing going on. This weekend's tea party I'm having with my comm mates. Might use this little guy. So I don't know if these count as knickknacks, but I think they're neat. And I have them. So I have 2 sets of chime balls that were given to me by my stepdad. Oh, little leopard. This was from a zoo, also in Minnesota. No, in Jersey. My family went on a holiday trip to Jersey Shore, not the Jersey Shore you're thinking of. And we went to this little zoo, which was cool, and they had baby snow leopard cubs there. So these chime balls are really cool. I used to use them a lot to meditate. I don't as much now. I've decided to just get down on the floor to show you. There's these really pretty designs on them. There's the moon and the sun, which I think is fun because I feel like that kind of like lends to like some balance there. I don't know, just like it. And then I actually haven't looked at these other chime balls recently. Yeah, there's 2 dragons on these ones. Still super cool. I should use these more often. I haven't in a while. So I have this little doll. This was the Tooth Fairy doll. So she was a helper to the Tooth Fairy when I was little. So if I lost my tooth, it went in her little pocket, and then she would give me the money, and it was super cute, and I love her. This was a present from my grandfather on my mom's side. Such a pretty cup. It's apparently been in their family for a really long time. I still have the letter that goes with it, and I love this teacup, and I was overjoyed to find out that with porcelain, if you want it to keep, you need to use it, because I started to notice a crack happening in it, and I was very upset, but I've started using it, and the cracking has stopped. I do need to fix that crack, though. This I bought from a local anime store, because I just thought it was super cute. It was one of the convention vendors for Bakuretsu-con. She has opened up a store nearby my college, and it is so nice to be able to just have this. It used to have a little top, but it broke when one of my roommates accidentally knocked it over. Had a little muffin cupcake top, which I think was super cute, but it is, alas, gone to us now. But I still have the bottom, which is still adorable. This is another mystery item where it's just amazing, but I have no idea where I got it from. There's this dragon, like, guarding this glass ball. I just love this so much. No idea where it's from. Absolutely no idea. But I love it, and I'm super happy to have it. Alright, more clocks. Alright, I think I need to grab the clocks down in groups, or else this is going to take forever. Okay, 4 clocks at a time. So, I have this little dolphin friend. So all the mini clocks come from the same place. They're all given to me after my grandmother passed away. I used to actually give her a lot of these clocks for Christmas because she collected them, and now I have a part of her collection, and I really love them. I don't think I need any more considering how many I already have, but they're really nice. Oh, here's a little ladybug friend. The clock's actually inside the ladybug. It's just gonna chill in there. I like it as a ladybug. Another little casino slot. Oh, look, this cat's looking to get a fish. Well, let me get y'all situated up here again, clocks. So I actually apparently have a double of the cat holding a fish, so I won't grab that one down again. I have this little mouse friend. Again, I have no idea where he's from, but I love it. It's just, they appear to be playing checkers with smaller turtles and smaller frogs on top of another turtle, and they're just delightful. A little sewing machine clock, which I really like because I love to sew. And this was a gift from my best friend from high school. We don't really talk anymore, so this is pretty important to me. Look, gnomes. They also appear to be playing checkers, but with butterflies. I was guessing they come from the same place that the frogs do. I have no idea where they came from. But again, it's just adorable and super fairy tale-esque, which is something I love and I'm actually going for while redoing my room. Okay, and you may notice this is probably more of the oddball out, since I don't actually collect a lot of like figurines like this. This one has a really funny story. So one December, my mom like got this extra perk, and it was just one of those question mark Mario boxes. I guess she had like a loot crate or something like that. I really don't know. And I wanted to know what was in the box. I was like, guys, what's in the box? And I was so like, oh my goodness, there's a question mark on the box. It's clearly a Mario box. What could be in there? And my mom decided to wrap up the box and give it to me for Christmas because I was so fascinated by it. I actually cosplayed Princess Peach at Bakuretsu-con. I don't have access to that cosplay right now because I am back at my house and I can't go back until May 15th to go get my things due to current situation. But yes, I think it's pretty neat. Also, my cat is snoring. I don't know if you can hear that, but he's being so cute. That's just my alarm clock. We're gonna leave that up there. And then I think the last two items of just this section of knickknacks, there is this really pretty rose gold Statue of Liberty. It was given to me in the box, and I kind of like how it looks in the box, so I just kept it in there. And then I also don't know where this little doll came from, but I love her. I have this little doll, and she's super pretty. Pretty little porcelain doll. I love her. And she's gonna go back up on the shelf. No idea where she came from, but I really appreciate them. I've actually had a lot of these knickknacks since way before I started Lolita Fashion, which I think is really interesting because the aesthetic matches pretty tightly. So I hope you all enjoyed, I hope you all enjoyed getting to see my knick-knack collection, and that it kind of helped you learn a bit more about me and gave you something fun to look into. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena.